Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Phudmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School kebadan hapo ka jeli jongasnong Maulai Phudmuri Shillong. Kala Jingpynkut no ya ka inter-house sports meet ka ba arsngi ka bala sedang ha ka laiterik uyayong arajar arpusan bat la Jingpynkut ha ka sauterik uyayong arajar arpusan. Ya ka inter-house sports meet la play perda da u officer in charge jong ka Maulai Police Station uba H taba uba lalong kumukongsan rengkat ka jingdon lang jong u additional superintendent of police Shillong traffic u di marak bat kiwei ka bala syakot sngoba. Ki khna school kilai shimenta da ka jing Shongshit ha ka jing ya march pass bat kumjuru ha ka jing yakop mare bala pelong da ka school. Ha ka jing panha perdaya ka inter-house sports meet la sakilang da u MDC ka Maulai uba I kharum nuoj uba lalong kumukongsan ha ka bau la sam ya ki khusnam syaki nong job ha ka jing yakop baper bat ya ki best athlete nado ki sub junior hado ka kerdan senior. Ha ka jing yakop ya march pass ya ka nam la do la yora da ka greenhouse bat ka red house ka lalong ka la do ha ka inter-house sports meet jong unius nem arajar arpusan.
A warm welcome to the respected members of the Church Committee and Managing Committee whose guidance and dedication have been instrumental in the success of the institution. This year, a team bound by teamwork, driven by passion, reflects the spirit of today's event. Passion fuels our dreams, but it is hard work that turns them into reality. To all the participants, give your best, embrace the spirit of sportsmanship, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. I also welcome Shri David Mara, MPS, the Deputy Superintendent of Traffic, Shillong. Welcome, sir, and your team.
Please give a big round of applause. The chief guest now will burn the cauldron. The chief guest will light the cauldron with the flame of unity, and Ms. Wankar will deliver the pledge in the oath-taking ceremony.
I promise that we shall take part in the Inter-House Sports Meet 2025, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the glory of sports.
As the flag bearer and head girl Jessica Linkoy as the flag holder. Next in line is the Blue House with the motto "Strive for Success" with Captain Emmanuel Aimley as commander, Vice Captain We are strong, we are winners, with Captain Mankrao Karbaman as commander, Vice Captain Bizansi Sotun as flag holder. Assistant Captain Rinkap Langs Aimle as placard holder. The next house arriving with the motto, "Stronger together and stoppable as one," is the Green House. Captain Jingpynkut L. Marshallong as commander. Vice Captain Larry Kintis Naitang as flag holder. With the motto, "Together we strive, together we shine." With Captain M. Banroy Thank You as commander. Vice Captain Shimti Gracia as flag holder. And a big round of applause for that.
It's a pleasure to see many young talents, young faces who are gathering here today. As we all know, sport play a vital role in our lives, teach us valuable lessons such as teamwork, discipline, and perseverance. It helps us develop our physical and mental health, builds confidence, and fosters a sense of camaraderie among us. So, as a society, I feel we must encourage and support our young athletes, providing them with opportunities to grow and develop their skills. I would like to extend my best wishes to all the participants, and I encourage you to give your best effort. Remember, winning is not everything, but rather the spirit of participation, teamwork, and fair play. That is what truly matters. Don't be afraid to take risks, to try new things, and push beyond your limits. As you begin this sports meet, I urge upon all to remember that sports are not just about winning or losing, but about the journey, the friendship, and the memories you create along the way. So let's make this season a memorable one filled with excitement, sportsmanship, and passion for excellence. As I've seen, the theme of this sports meet is bound by teamwork, driven by passion, which truly shows in the spirit of the young boys and girls who just did match pass here with well coordination, discipline, and their formation, which is really a beautiful sight to see. Now, it is also worth mentioning here that recently our Chief Minister had announced that the state government has decided to offer direct appointment to athletes who bring home medals from various national and international sporting events through the Meghalaya Outstanding Sports Person Direct Appointment Policy 2025 without having to appear for any competitive exam. As per the policy, athletes who secure medals in Olympics, Paralympics, Special Olympics, Asian Games, Commonwealth, South Asian Games, all who brought medals home would be given direct appointment by the state government through this sports policy 2025.
heartfelt gratitude to you for inviting me in this wonderful program. It's an honor to be here with you today. I am delighted to know that your school organizing School Week. This is commendable because education is not just about book. Students must influence in extracurricular activities to maintain good health and stay away from negative influences. My dear student, I am truly overjoyed to see you today. Why I am happy? Because I see joy and enthusiasm. If you are happy, I am happy too. I know that you are tired. Therefore, I will keep my speech brief but leave you with some important message. Our state needs young, intelligent mind to contribute to various fields, including medicine, engineering, civil service, law enforcement, business, education, and many more. We also need talented individuals in sports. This is why education is the most important foundation in every success. Remember that. Don't let financial hardship discourage you from pursuing your dream. Never say I am poor, I come from a poor family, so I cannot be a doctor, engineer, a businessman, or a leader. Success is possible for those who work hard and persevere. And don't let financial hardship discourage you. Let me share you one inspiring example. I think that you know about Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States of America. He came from a humble background. He did not have access to proper schooling like others. He had to write on a scrap of paper. He did not have light. He had to study in a dim of a lamp. But yet he became a greatest president, a greatest leader in the world. I believe that each one of you has the potential to become a great leader. Therefore, strive for excellence, work hard, and let your light be bright for all to see. Thank you, students. Thank you, all of you.
Glory to God, His wisdom reigns. To His loving children, the truth remains. Quite well He knew how weak we are. The strength He assured lifts our banner.
Phudmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School officially closed. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to all the participants and supporters, organizers who made this event a grand success. May the spirit of sportsmanship and teamwork continue to inspire us all. Thank you.